Hi, my name is Lin Tansen. I'm from Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur. And since I was young, my parents sent me to Chinese primary and secondary school, and the reason is because they are well aware that Chinese is an important language. And however, after my secondary school, I enrolled into an English college for my A levels. As I know that my weakness, which is English speaking with people after exposing in Chinese environment for many years. And thus, I put myself out of the comfort zone and interact with people to slowly build a stronger foundation of English. And throughout my education, I have a strong interest in science subjects such as biology. And after my A levels, I continue my bachelor's study in University of Wolverhampton for the course of biochemistry. And I have the opportunity to establish a strong interest in molecular biology while I was doing my final year project. My final year project is using a marine fungi as a marker, and in this project we use the same marine fungi but with different strain and expose them in different environments such as temperature, salt concentration, and other environment. And to and after exposing them to this environment, I will test them through morphological, physiological, and traits. Molecular traits, and this experiment have started to train me to become more precise and more patient. And after my bachelor degree, I started my master degree in genetic manipulation and cell molecular biology in University of Sussex. And in my master degree, have strengthened my knowledge in molecular biology biology, and my project in this master degree was to examine the protein, which is TOF1 protein that involved in topological stress in DNA replication. My hypothesis was this TOF1 protein, the C terminal of this TOF1 protein, might involve in stabilizing the stall replication fault during elongation. To test and solve the hypothesis, various techniques and experiments have involved, such as design primer, amplify PCR product to mutate the important sites of the protein and transform them into a A cell. And after transform them into a cell, we dissect the mutate protein and compare them with the wild type A cell on a DNA damaging agent. The project has allowed me to learn more events that happen during DNA replication, elongation, and DNA repair. I enjoy working with molecular genetic experiment and would like to improve my research skills and knowledge towards molecular biology. DNA replication, transcription, and repair are the most important process in human cells, because they need to function correctly to avoid the disease. My goal is to help to discover the protein structure, mechanism, and the role of the protein during DNA replication, transcription, and translation to cure or prevent patient from disease. I would like to also understand the mechanism of epigenetic modification that could involve in regulating DNA replication, transcription, and translation. To achieve the goal, I want to continue my PhD study and research that I'm interested in. I'm willing to work internationally and look forward to take on new challenge, and I'm also willing to learn more techniques and skills to achieve my goal. And after coming back from United Kingdom, I went to Singapore to apply jobs in the field that I'm interested in. While I'm waiting for the job opportunity, I also did part-time job in the food store as a service crew. And currently, I'm working with a health screening center as a medical technician since 2017 May. The health screening center does general body checkup, and my job is to instruct customer technical procedure and to perform the screening test. My instruction must be clear and in order to allow the customer to understand the procedure. Furthermore, I also assist doctor examination during pap smear, records finding, and also support in generating clinical reports. It is an experience whereby I achieved some medical knowledge that I was not so keen. However, I'm still looking for an opportunity into a research field in biological science. My PhD interest is to examine the protein involved in epigenetics modification during cellular reprogramming. The aim of this study is to understand the protein transcription mechanism and investigate the protein interaction network with the epigenetic modification in the cell in order to enhance a safe and efficient method of cellular reprogramming to generate induced pluripotent stem cells. And to achieve the aim, I need to examine the structure and function of transcription factor that involve in epigenetic modification during cellular reprogramming, and to understand the protein-protein interaction with transcription factors that involve in epigenetic modification. And I also like to investigate the structure and function of the protein interaction with the core transcription factor in epigenetic modification, and also to identify the importance of the protein that interact with the transcription factor during epigenetic modification. Cellular reprogramming is to induce